Welcome to today's video, where we will embark on an exciting journey into the boundless realm of artificial intelligence and explore the ingenious strategies that Microsoft can employ to seize victory in the epic AI race against its formidable rival, Google. In recent years, both tech titans have demonstrated remarkable progress in AI research and development, propelling us into a new era of innovation. Yet, amidst the dynamic landscape of machine learning and neural networks, what sets Microsoft apart from its powerful adversary? Today, let us unravel the secrets behind their potential triumph. To truly comprehend how Microsoft can transcend Google in the AI race, it is vital to acknowledge the distinctive strengths each behemoth possesses. Google, the pioneering trailblazer in AI, has revolutionized the field with groundbreaking projects like DeepMind and TensorFlow. Their unparalleled expertise in machine learning and the vast reservoir of data have thrust them into the vanguard of the industry. On the other hand, Microsoft wields a unique advantage that could prove instrumental in this high-stakes race: an expansive enterprise reach that spans the globe. Through a suite of powerful tools and platforms such as Azure and Office 365, Microsoft has fostered profound connections with businesses and corporations worldwide. This extensive network grants them access to vast troves of invaluable data, which they can harness to propel their AI applications to unparalleled heights. Additionally, Microsoft's unwavering commitment to safeguarding user privacy and fortifying digital security sets them apart from their competitors. In this age of data sensitivity, both enterprises and individuals alike prioritize the sanctity of their personal information. Microsoft's proven track record in this area instills confidence and trust, becoming a pivotal factor that wins over customers who hold privacy in utmost esteem. Another pivotal aspect where Microsoft gains an edge is their fervent dedication to fostering collaboration and partnership. The company has proactively forged alliances with leading academic institutions and research organizations across the globe. By synergizing with experts from diverse fields, Microsoft taps into an unparalleled wealth of perspectives and knowledge, thus accelerating their AI research and development at an exponential pace. Furthermore, Microsoft's visionary focus on integrating AI into everyday applications stands as a potent competitive advantage. With the widespread use of Windows, Office, and other Microsoft products, they wield the potential to seamlessly infuse AI capabilities into these ubiquitous platforms. This seamless integration enriches user experiences and drives widespread adoption of Microsoft's AI offerings, solidifying their foothold in the market. Lastly, Microsoft's substantial investments in augmented reality (AR) and mixed reality (MR) technologies could prove to be a game-changer in the AI race. By converging AI with AR, Microsoft can create breathtakingly immersive experiences that revolutionize industries like healthcare, education, and manufacturing. This convergence of cutting-edge technologies opens up a whole new realm of possibilities, ushering in unprecedented growth and innovation. While Google undeniably commands a dominant position in the AI landscape, it is vital to recognize that no position is unassailable. To surpass Google, Microsoft must continue leveraging its expansive enterprise reach, unwavering dedication to privacy and security, relentless pursuit of collaboration, seamless integration of AI into everyday applications, and strategic investments in AR, technologies. In conclusion, the rivalry between Microsoft and Google in the realm of AI is a thrilling spectacle. Nevertheless, with its distinctive strengths and strategic focus areas, Microsoft possesses the latent potential to surge ahead of its competitor. Only time will unveil the ultimate victor in this ever-evolving AI race, a race that inspires both companies to scale unprecedented heights in their quest for technological supremacy.